Exercise 2.2, page number 42. 1600 employees are working in an office. Among these employees, the number of men exceeded the number of women by 15% of the total number of employees. The number of unmarried employees are 800 less than the number of married employees. The number of unmarried women is 192. Represent the above data in a suitable table. So in this example, 1600 employees are working in an office, and we have to arrange this information in a tabulation form. So whenever we have to create tabulation, at least we have the knowledge that which type of information is given in this example. It means attribute is required. So in this example, we have two types of information. One is the gender wise, men and women, and second is the marital status, married and unmarried. So here we prepare tabulation form. So two types of information here. So attribute. One is a marital status and second is a gender. In marital status, we have two information. One is a married and unmarried, and second gender wise information, men and women. A table showing information of 1600 employees working in an office. So table showing information of 1600 employees working in an office. So here marital status, married, unmarried, total, and here gender wise information, men, women, and total. Okay. So table showing information of 1600 employees working in an office. Marital status, married, unmarried, total. Gender wise, men, women, and total. Married men here, married woman, total married here. Unmarried men, unmarried woman, unmarried total, and here total men, total woman, and total employees here. So now we can start. 1600 employees are working in an office. So total members in office, that is 1600. So here 1600 total employees. Among these employees, the number of men exceeded the number of women by 15%. So number of men exceeded 15% number of women. जो मेन है वो वुमेन से 15% ज्यादा है. So here we have to find men and women. Here I mentioned some calculation. 1600 15% is required. That is 240. And number of men exceeded number of women 15%. So we have to assume somehow कुछ assume करना पड़ेगा. Suppose number of women x. Here we assume that suppose number of women is x and men is 15% more. 15% is 240. So the number of men is equal to x plus 240. तो जो नंबर ऑफ मैन है वो वुमेन से 240 ज्यादा है. सो सपोज नंबर ऑफ वुमेन दैट इज x and men exceeded means plus more. So men x plus 240. Now we have to create equation. Total employees 1600, women x and men x plus 240. So x, woman, men x plus 240 is equal to 1600. X plus x become 2x. 1600. If we change plus 240 become here minus. 1600 minus 240, that is 1360. So x is equal to 1360 upon 2, that is 680. So here we assume x for woman. So number of women working in an office 680. So woman total 680 and men are 240 more. 680 plus 240 here, otherwise 1600 minus 680. So you will get here 920. अब शॉर्टकट करना चाहो तो हो जाएगा. 1600 minus 680 तो 920 हो जाएगा. Then the number of unmarried employees are 800 less than the number of married employees. So the unmarried employees are less than the number of married employees less than 800. जो unmarried employee है वो married employee से 800 कम है. चलो उसका कैलकुलेशन करते हैं. Suppose number of married employees as x. Suppose number of married employees as x and unmarried is 800 less. Less means minus. So unmarried employees x minus 800. We have total 1600 employees. Married employees x, unmarried employees x minus 800. Total 1600. X plus x 2x. If I am taking minus 800 become here plus. 1600 plus 800 2400. So x is equal to 2 So x is equal to 1200. So x for married employee. So married employee is 1200. So married 1200. And unmarried employees are less than 800. So 1200 minus 800 become 400. यहाँ शॉर्टकट में ले लो 1600 minus 1200 400. Then the number of unmarried women is 195. Unmarried woman 195. So unmarried and woman 195. Total unmarried 400 and 195 women. So remaining are men 205. Total men 920 minus 205. So married men 715. Total married 1200 and 715 men. So remaining women 485. So again I repeat, 1600 employees are working in an office. So 1600 a year. Then the number of men exceeded the number of women by 15%. So number of men exceeded the number of women. 1600 15% is to 40. Suppose number of women as a x and men is 15% more. So number of women as x, men is equal to x plus 240. So woman x, men x plus 240, total employees 1600. X plus x 2x plus 240 become here minus 1600 minus 240 become 1360. 2x is equal to 1360. So x is equal to 1360 divided by 2, 680. So woman has a x. So total woman 680. Total employees 1600. 680 woman. So 920 men. Then the number of unmarried employees 800 less than the number of married employees. जो unmarried employees है वो married employees से 800 कम है. Suppose number of married employees x and unmarried 800 less. So x minus 800. We have total 1600 employees. So x plus x minus 800 is equal to 1600. X plus x is equal to 2x. Minus 800 become here plus 1600 plus 800 2400. 2x is equal to 2400. X is equal to 2400 divided by 1200. So married employees x 1200. So married 1200. Out of 1600 employees, 1200 married, so 400 unmarried. Then the number of unmarried women 195. So unmarried woman 195. Out of 400, 195 women, so remaining are men. Total men 920. Out of 920 unmarried men 205, so remaining 715 married. Total married 1200. 715 men, so remaining 485. So this is a very simple examination, very simple example, and this type of example weightage in examination 5 marks. So make maximum practice. Thank you very much.